Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do our next concept of our English grammar, that is personal pronouns. Okay, so I have already made videos on noun adjectives, so you can check out that videos also. I think parts of speech is the video where I have told you. So today we are going to do personal pronouns. So I have already told what is pronouns, okay. So today we are going to do personal pronouns. Now personal pronouns means first person, second person, third person we will be dealing with. So pronouns I have told you definition in my previous video, that is the nouns, a word that is used instead of noun, a word that is used to replace the noun, means the word that is used instead of a noun is known as pronoun. Okay, let's take an example also, and then we will be proceeding further, and I will be writing definition of pronouns also. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe and you can check all my previous videos also. So let's take one example, that is you can take example, that is I have taken very common name like Ram. Ram is absent, comma, because Ram is ill. Okay, first you should know the meaning of this sentence, okay, this first example, and then I will be writing second example similar to this only. So Ram is absent because Ram is ill. Ram जो है वो absent है, मतलब वो वहाँ पे उपस्थित नहीं है. He is absent. So Ram is absent because Ram is ill. क्योंकि वो बीमार है. Meaning of ill is बीमार होना. Okay. He is suffering from something. Okay. So here this is not mentioned that he is suffering from fever or typhoid, anything. There is no mentioning here. I have just taken example, that is Ram is absent because Ram is ill. So here what you have seen the repetition of a noun. Okay, here we have done repetition. Now in my previous video I have told you repetition and repetition of articles, जहाँ पे हम repeat करते हैं articles को एक ही sentence में, means I have told you what is repetition. Let me write this perfectly. Repetition. So first you should know the meaning of repetition. Repetition is simply the meaning which we can see from here only, that repetition means something that will be repeated. So in my previous video I have also written that also there also. So I am writing here also, repeating means the words or things that will be repeating, that is known as repetition, means repetition of something, repeating of something, the thing that will be repeated in one sentence. Okay, so repetition is simply meaning repeating. Here what is repeating? Ram, and you all know what is Ram. Ram is a noun. I have made video of noun, so you can check out that. And Ram noun है. Noun क्या होता है? अगर आपने हिंदी में संज्ञा की है तो किसी भी वस्तु, व्यक्ति या स्थान के नाम को संज्ञा कहते हैं. This is the definition in Hindi, and English also this is similar. Okay, so let me tell you, I will be just speaking the definition of noun. You can check out my previous video and you can write down if you want, but here I am just speaking the definition of noun. So a noun is a word used as the name of a person, place or thing. Okay, like I have taken example in my previous video. I think I have taken example of Akbar. You all know who is Akbar. Akbar is great king. So I have just told you that example only, that is the Akbar was a great king. Akbar जो है वो बहुत महान राजा है. So I have told you that sentence in example in the concept of noun. So here I have told you what is noun. Noun is a word used as the name of a person, place or thing. But here we will be dealing with pronoun. प्रोनाउन जो नाउन को रिप्लेस कर दे, मीन्स द वर्ड्स दैट आर यूज्ड इंस्टेड ऑफ नाउन is known as pronouns, but today we will be doing personal pronouns. So I hope you understand the meaning of repetition also means repeating. So in this sentence you have just seen that there is a repetition of noun. Here also this is Ram, here also this is Ram, means ये दो चीजें रिपीट नहीं होनी चाहिए, एक ही सेंटेंस में दो नाउन्स नहीं होने चाहिए, वो भी सिमिलर, अलग होते तो भी हम मानते, बट दे बोथ आर सिमिलर. सो we can write simply that let me write with black only. Ram is absent because he is ill, because he is ill, means I have replaced this Ram. This Ram is similar to this Ram only, but here the word that I have written here in the repetition, in the repetitive noun, here I have replaced that with he. I have told you this example also in my nouns कि हम जो हैं वो एक ही सेंटेंस में दो nouns को ऐड नहीं करते, वो भी similar. Ram is absent because he is ill, वो बीमार है. You all know Ram is a boy and boy को हम denote करते हैं he से and girl को she से. Similarly राम के लिए हम him his यूज करते हैं and girl के लिए हम her यूज करते हैं. So these are some common things. So here I have just told you that हमने repetition नहीं करना है, we just have to replace this Ram with he. You all know Ram is a boy, so we have just denoted it with he. So let's write down the definition of noun. Okay, so let's write down, means I'm writing here only definition of pronoun. Okay, let me write that also, of pronoun. So the definition is a word that is used instead of a noun. Instead मतलब noun को replace करके, instead of a noun is called a pronoun. Is called a pronoun. So I hope you understand this definition also. Here the definition is very simple, means we just have written the definition of pronoun and you all know what is the definition of noun. Pronoun, a word that is used instead of noun, means हमने noun की जगह पे एक ऐसा word लगाया that is similar to that Ram only, instead of a noun is called a pronoun, तो उसे हम pronoun कहते हैं. Okay, so this is the concept of pronoun only. Okay, so let's move on to the personal pronouns. Okay, so definition I have told you, a word that is used instead of noun. Now read some following sentences and then I will be telling you. I will be writing some sentences and then you will be reading that and then I will be justifying that. Okay, so as you all can see this, I have written 5 sentences and I have written that read the following sentences. So I am young, we are young, they are young, you are young, he, and I have written he, she, it in brackets because these all are denoted in is, young. Now what's the difference in these sentences? यहाँ पे आपने सबने देखा कि am जो है I am young, this is justified. We are young, are means जब भी हम R देखेंगे means they are plural. I have told you what is plural and what is singular, and अगर हम is देखेंगे means they are singular. Okay, so plural and singular का concept तो आपको clear है. So I am young, you all know I is also a plural. Okay, so we are young, they are young, you are young, he, she, it is young. यहाँ पे सब में R लगा बट यहाँ पे is लगा because ही शी इट के साथ जो है वो एक ही है, वन पर्सन इज देयर, ही शी, मतलब एक ही पर्सन की बात हो रही है, ओनली वन पर्सन इज देयर इन दैट बोथ सेंटेंसेस। हम इट्स तो नहीं लिखेंगे, हम इट लिखेंगे। अगर हम किसी कंप्यूटर की बात करेंगे, सपोज वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस व्हाइट बोर्ड ओनली, सो it is a whiteboard. You will not be saying this like he is a whiteboard. Is this a person? No. Is this a something that is living? No. Means it is used for those that are non-living. Okay. So R is for plural and is for singular. So here I am young. मैं जो हूँ young हूँ. We are young. हम young हैं. I मैं हिंदी में मैं ब्रैकेट्स में मैं हिंदी में लिख देती हूँ मैं। आई मतलब मैं, आई एम यंग, मैं यंग हूँ। वी आर यंग मतलब हम यंग हैं। एंड दे आर यंग, वो, वह या वो, जो भी बोलो, वो या वह यंग हैं। यू आर यंग, तुम यंग हो, तुम यंग हो। ही शी इट, now he she it is plural, singular, is young, he she it, वो young है। ओके, वह young है, वो वह इधर भी यूज होगा। ओके, so he she it is young. So let's take this is plural and this one is singular. So हम singular को भी छोड़ते हैं, we will be just dealing with पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस एंड लेट्स डू दिस। आई एम यंग मतलब मैं यंग हूँ। वी आर यंग, हम यंग हैं। दे आर यंग, वो या वह यंग है। यू आर यंग, तुम यंग हो। ही शी इट इज यंग मतलब वो यंग है, वो ही होगा वैसे इसमें भी। सो हियर वी जस्ट हैव सीन दीज ओनली। आई मतलब मैं, वी मतलब हम, दे मतलब वो या वह, यू मतलब तुम, ही मतलब वो। ओके, ही शी इट इज यंग। यह भी होता है। ओके, यह ब्लैक बोर्ड, यह वाइट बोर्ड है। ओके, सो दीज ऑल कम अंडर ही शी इट। ओके, सो हियर आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू दैट दिस आई, वी, you, they, I, we, you, they, he, जिसके अंदर ही she और it भी आता है, she, it are called personal pronouns, are called personal pronouns, personal pronouns. Okay, so I have told you who are personal, दो कौन personal noun है और कौन से pronoun है. So mainly we will be considering I, we, you, they only. Okay, I, we, you, they, he, she, it are called personal pronouns. उन्हें हम personal pronouns कहते हैं, जो कि एक चीज़, पर्टिकुलर चीज़ के बारे में बता रहा है. ओके, आई एम यंग, मैं यंग हूँ. वी आर यंग, हम यंग हैं. दे आर यंग, वो, वह या जो भी यंग है. मीन्स दे ऑल आर इन प्लूरल. ओके, सो यहाँ पे मेनली हुआ क्या है, बिकॉज दे स्टैंड फॉर 3 पर्सन्स. ये जो है वो 3 पर्सन्स के लिए स्टैंड हो रहे हैं. ओके, they stands for 3 persons. Let me write this here. They stand for 3 persons. Okay, here this is E. Means now who are these 3 persons? Let me erase this first and then we will be doing this. Okay, I will be writing this heading again, no worries. So first of all, I think you know what is the difference between these sentences, and main motive मेरा ये था जो कि मैं अभी समझाने वाली हूँ about personal pronouns. Means I, we, you, they, he. इज ऑल नोन एज पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस, वो पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस हैं, ये आप घोट कर पी लीजिए. ओके, I, we, you, they, he. I am writing here I, we, you, they and he, जिसके अंदर ही she and it also includes. So she, he, it means ये जो हैं these all are personal pronouns and we will be dealing with these only. So today in this video only I will be just telling you personal pronouns. Okay, so I hope you can note down these I, we, you, they, he, she, it, and you can note this also, that this particularly this one is plural and this is singular. Okay, so I, we, you, they are plural and he, she, it is singular. I have told you she female के लिए यूज होता है, he male के लिए यूज होता है and it is used for objects. So let's move on to the next part, that वो three persons के लिए stand होता है. Yes, I am correct. These personal nouns are stand for three person. Now who are these three persons? This is a mystery. ये वो तीन लोग हैं कौन जिसके लिए यूज होता है? They stand for three persons. Okay, let me write this. They stand for three persons. Now who are these persons? So these persons are, first is the person speaking. The person who is speaking. Okay, the person speaking. Secondly, this is used for the person spoken to. The person spoken to. And third is the person spoken of. The person spoken of. So these are the three persons which stands for three persons. So the first person is the person speaking, second is the person spoken to, and the third one is the person spoken of. मतलब the person speaking मतलब जो person बोल रहा है, who is the narrator or you can say the main character तो नहीं बोलेंगे, the person speaking जो बोल रहा है, means like I am speaking, the person is speaking, the person spoken to जिसके साथ मैं बात कर रही हूँ, like मैं आपके साथ बात कर रही हूँ, तो the person spoken to मैं आपके साथ बात कर रही हूँ, the person spoken of और मैं किसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. These three things will be considering under these three persons, that is a personal pronoun. So the person speaking means I am speaking, I am a person and I am speaking. I am speaking to you means I am speaking to my YouTube family. So the person spoken to मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ. And the third is the person spoken of और मैं किसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. यहाँ पे तो person mention है, because I am teaching you, so I am telling you about this topic only. So the person spoken of किसके बारे में मैं बात कर रही हूँ. So these are the three persons in personal pronouns. Okay. Now apart from this there are three persons, means the first person, second person and third persons. So you should know that also. So I will be telling you that only. Let me first erase this. So I have written this, that is the person I and we, which denote the person or person speaking, are said to be personal pronouns of the first person. So you have seen my previous written thing, that is the three persons किसके लिए वो बोला जाता है. The person speaking, जैसे मैं बात कर रही हूँ, आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, spoken to, and किसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, spoken of. So यहाँ पे हमें यही बताया है कि I and we जो है वो फर्स्ट पर्सन के अंदर इंक्लूड होते हैं. I and we which denote the person और person speaking, मतलब जो बोल रहा है पर्सन, the person और person speaking are said to be personal pronouns of the first person, means वो फर्स्ट पर्सन के बारे में बोल रहा है. I and we. Okay, the pronouns I the pronouns I and we which denote the person or person speaking are said to be personal pronouns of the first person. Means you should mainly know this, like I and we जो है वो first person के अंदर include होंगे. Okay, this you should know, you should remember this. I and we first person. I will be writing more also here only. So the next is the pronoun you which denote the person. I have to make changes, then I will be telling you. So next one is the person spoken to. किसके बारे में मैं बात कर रही हूँ, किससे बात कर रही हूँ, किसके बारे में नहीं, सॉरी, किससे बात कर रही हूँ. लाइक आई एम स्पीकिंग टू यू, so spoken to. Okay, so let me make changes, then I will be telling you that. So I have made changes. The pronoun you means here the second point is saying about you. So the pronoun you which denotes the person or person spoken of. मैं spoken of की बात, मतलब मैं जिससे किससे बात कर रही हूँ. So person spoken of के लिए हम you use करते हैं. Is said to be personal pronoun of the second person. This is a second person. So I जो है I and we is used for first person. You is used for second person. Okay. The pronoun you which denotes the person or person speaking of. I have told you what is spoken of, what is spoken to, and what is person speaking. So which denotes the person or person spoken of is said to be personal pronoun of the second person. Here this O has been erased. So proper pronoun, personal pronoun of the second person. Okay. So I forgot to tell you one more thing, that you is used both in the singular and plural. Okay. You is used both in, you is used both in, here that's why I have written is, not are, both in the singular and plural. Okay, you की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे, this you. So you is used both in the singular also and in plural also. So I hope you understand this concept of you also. Now the third person के बारे में हम बात करेंगे, that is, first let me make changes and then so the last point of this personal pronoun is the pronouns he, she and they. Now you all know I have told you I and we and you also. Now the pending is he, she and they. So the pronouns he, she and they which denotes the person or person spoken of, मतलब जिससे बात हो रही है. And sorry, I have written spoken of in my previous video of that second person only also. So that is spoken to. You can make changes there. Spoken to, not spoken of. Spoken of के लिए हम third person use करते हैं, where we will be using he, she and they. And there is one more note, that is it also denotes the thing spoken of. मतलब ये जो है वो जो हमने second person के लिए use किया था उसके लिए भी हम ये use करते हैं. Oh, it although it denotes the thing, okay, the thing spoken of is called a personal pronoun of the third person. Means this is just saying this is you can note this, but this is just a saying that it also denotes the thing spoken of. Means spoken of की तो बात हो रही है, and that will be coming under third person. Spoken of is called a personal pronoun of the third person. ये जो है वो personal pronoun है third person का. So that's all for this particular video where I have told you about personal pronouns. Here this is just an introduction of personal pronouns. Now in my next video I will be telling you forms of the personal pronouns. Personal pronouns की और कौन सी forms हैं. So here I have just told you कि pronoun और personal pronouns में क्या difference है. Pronoun जो होते हैं वो noun की जगह पे replace किए जाते हैं and used instead of noun. And पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस आई, वी, यू, दे हैं, जिसमें मैंने आपको बता भी दिया. एंड आई, वी जब यूज़ होता है फर्स्ट पर्सन के साथ, ही, शी, दे यूज़ होता है थर्ड पर्सन के साथ, एंड यू यूज़ होता है सेकेंड पर्सन के साथ. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो ऑफ पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस of today. And if you like it, do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for all the new updates for my new videos. Thank you.